Students, we have discussed about how the addition of binary numbers. We have discussed about the addition of binary numbers. We are going to do the second question of exercise 1.4. Just find the sums and verify the result. Find the sum of these binary numbers and verify the result after finding the addition. So how to add these two numbers we have discussed already. Same thing we are going to do here. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 2. Here 2 means base, and here have 4 1 1 1 1 1 2. How to add? You know, 1 plus 1 10 0 1. This one 1 plus 1 10 0 1. Again 1 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11 1. Again 1 1 plus 1 10, and 10 is add with this one, that is 11 1. Again 1 0 plus this one means 1, and these two ones comes down. The result is what? 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Here the base is what? 2. Now how to verify? We have to convert these two binary numbers. We have to convert this binary number into decimal form and this binary number into decimal form, and we have to add, and the result we will see that these binary numbers after converted after converting decimal form, the result is same or not. So we are going to convert this number to decimal form. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 2. So how to convert? You know about that. 1 into, from the left side, this 1 into here, base of 2, power of 2 1. Power of 2 is 6, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 place after 1, after this one. Again the powers are decreasing from left to right. 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the 2 squared plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 6 means 64. 2 to the power 5 into 1, that is 32. 2 to the power 4 into 0, here 0 have to result also 0. 2 to the power 8 means 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 to the power 2 means 4, and here 0 have, so result also 0. Here 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. So we have to add these numbers. 4 5 6 10 18 19 9 1 6 7 8 9 1 10 1 0 9. So this one is the decimal form of this binary number. Again we have to convert this one. 1 1 1 1 2. How to convert? 1 into base 3, power 3. 1 into power of 2 2. Again 1 into power of 2 1. 1 into power of 2 0. So 2 cube means 8. 2 square means 4. Here 2 and here 1. Here result is 15. So we add this to 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 2 plus 1 1 1 2 equal, what is decimal form of these two numbers? Here the first number is 109 and the second number is 15. 9 plus 5 14. 14 4 1 1 plus 1 2, that is 124. And again we have to convert this, the result of the addition of these two binary numbers, into decimal form. It is 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 2. So it will 1 into 2 to the power 6. Again the powers of 2 decreasing. 1 into 2 to the power 5. 1 into 2 to the power 4. 1 into 2 to the power 3. 1 into 2 to the power 2. After that 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So our result is what? 2 to the power 6 means 64. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 3 is 18, 2 to the power 2 is 4, and these two results are 0. So you have to add 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 12, 12 plus 20, 24, 4, and after that 4, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, or 10 plus 2. Here 8 plus 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. That is 124. So you see the addition of these two numbers after converting decimal form is 124. The result we obtained after addition of these two binary numbers after converting the result to decimal form is also 124. So these two results are same. That is the addition of these two numbers after converting decimal form is same, and here also the binary numbers of these two binary numbers addition is also correct. That means, so our result is verified. How we verified? Addition of these two binary numbers is what? 1111100 to the base 2. We converting this binary number into decimal form, that is we obtained is 109, and this binary number into decimal form again we obtain 15. After adding these two numbers, what we get? 124. Again the result we convert to binary form, to decimal form. The result is what? 124. Thus these two results are same. That means this addition is verified. Verified. Thank you.